This is officially the top. Yesterday we posted a video pointing to 5 signs why the market was going to make an imminent pullback in the next 7 to 10 days. Today we actually got a confirmation now with 13 markets move formula pointing to a move 11 formation, which leads often on a Fridays to a drop. So tomorrow officially, congratulations bears, the market will drop. Now with that said, I'm recording this video at about 3:40 p.m. on Thursday, November the 7th. So still plenty of time to execute some of these trades. We're about to show you 3 or 5 really good trades that you can execute before the market actually closes or tomorrow morning. So let's go without any further ado. This is what's about to happen. Market is about to wake up and realize that there will never be a trade deal with China. Trump has been using tariffs as his main negotiating tool to get China to sign the big trade deal. The greatest deal of all the greatest deal. It's going to be such a great deal. We can't get shit signed. So let me come up with the phase 1, phase 2, phase 15 top deal. Well, so far, after announcing that they officially got the deal, we've actually devoted an entire video to that. There is no freaking deal. Nothing has been signed. So what do you call a deal that's never been signed? It's not a freaking deal. So bottom line is this. Now, the fact that they're actually considering rolling tariffs just to get the mere phase 1 deal done, not even this month, but next month in December, which is likely to get postponed to January or February or something like that. Just think about it. Okay, they cannot get this deal done. Okay, Chinese are stubborn as hell. There was going to be no deal, as we've been saying over the course of the last year on this channel. But markets, they seem to just hear what they want to hear until they freaking wake up. 3,097 is the new magic number officially. We've actually shared this number. 3097 was the lucky number for the day. We said the market was ultimately going to hit 3,097. We've actually revealed that number to our 13 Market Moves Daily Analysis members. And there it is. This is what actually happens. Today, the market officially hits that level of 3,097. And we recommended in the group to buy puts. So those of you guys that did, congrats. Nice little move so far. But this is just the beginning. This is clear characteristic of a move 11. This is clear characteristic of a head and shoulder formation with a clear head right here being right at 3,097. Boom. Market begins to wake up. This is officially the top. Oftentimes, if you look from many charts historically, guys, which this is basically what we do here at 13 Market Moves formula. This is what we do. We look at a ton of freaking charts, and here's what we got. We got a black candle formation today in S&P. Oftentimes, when the market has moved and the VIX refuses to move lower, and it creates a black candle on the S&P chart. Basically, this is the top, guys. There's no ifs or buts about it. This is the freaking top. We mentioned the market delay effect yesterday. Basically, the fact that the deal gets postponed. There's always some kind of situation that keeps happening. The market keeps going with it until this market delay effect wears off. And instead of a situation like this, like we've had in the last few days, you get this. And clearly some things pointed out in yesterday's video. We are in rough waters, pointed by SoftBank, which actually locked in the first loss in 14 years. This is how the market will look tomorrow, okay? Surprise, surprise. This was actually presented by SoftBank CEO yesterday in his explanation of the worst quarter SoftBank has had in 14 years. This is how the market will look tomorrow. This is how the market will look Monday. So congrats, bears, money time. Amazon, 1,800, 1,780 puts. This is one of our favorite trades right now. Amazon has got squeezed out of these earnings miss and squeeze stop situation, but now struggling to move higher, which coincides with this orange line. The next ultimate move is lower. This was the alert we sent out in the group earlier today. 1,800, 1,780 puts on Amazon. Looking for about 30, 40 dollar move lower tomorrow. Semiconductor bubble about to pop. There it is, AVGO 310, 315 puts. Nice reversal. At one point in the day, this was actually a black candle formation. You can look at pretty much across the semiconductor sector. A lot of them are creating these type of moves. With semiconductors is the reason why the markets have been moving higher, along with the financials, and they're all creating this topping move, this bearish reversal candle formation. Guys, this is the freaking top. Nice and easy. TTD announcing earnings just about 15 minutes from now. Currently, stock trades about 194. Okay, we think this stock is going to flop. $20, $30 move lower. As you can see, head and shoulder formation right here. You got divergence on the RSI. You got clear, predominant behavior in institutional investors as they're pulling the money out ahead of the earnings. They've been doing so over the course of the last few months. This is a very nice head and shoulder formation. It's man, that's a beauty. Actually, we're also noticing the accumulation distribution against that head and shoulder formation. When the head part of the formation was created, as you can see, there was no spike in the accumulation distribution. Basically, nobody was buying this thing right here at the top. So the stock has reversed, but a bigger drop is in the making, and this earnings report will be the catalyst for that. So here's what we got going on the daily chart of Trade Desk. Dev Cross. Damn it, Dev Cross is back in style again. Move lower in TDD shares after hours. Notably, Chinese stocks have been on the run, as pointed out in the last few videos. We've actually been bullish on BABA for about last 7 to 10 days. Now, check this out. Signs of a top as the stock moved from 177 to 187 recently. Look at the drop off in the volume each day. It moves higher. There's less and less people are interested in getting in at this level, which creates opportunities for big, fast, fierce reversals. Fast and furious. BABA going down tomorrow. And TES, another sharp trade. Definite top information right here. Man, gotta love these charts. Beautiful. 4th day divergence on the VIX, guys. Market still up today as I'm taking this shot right here. And VIX is up. This should not be happening. We've noticed this divergence. We explained it in the last video posted yesterday. And the divergence continues for the 4th day in the row. This is a sign of a TRO, trend reversal opportunity. Trend reversal is about to reverse in the favor of the bears. For more info on how to recharge divergences, 13 market moves, visit tradingoptionslive.com or click the links below this video. Guys, let's rock. Opportunities knocking the door again. Grab them. Take advantage of them. Put the money in the bank. Let's rock. I'll catch you guys on the next trade soon.
Trading wins and losses is just like everything else in life that is worth fighting for. You remember your marriage? Man, it was beautiful when you were getting married, but you had no idea how ugly the losses of this divorce were actually going to be. Like opening a business, thinking you'd get rich overnight. But in the midst of it, you ended up maxing all of your credit cards just to sustain that business for a few years before you even realize a tiny bit of your first profits. Like buying a house, thinking it would go up in value forever and ever, just realizing how wrong you actually were when 2008 hit. Like having kids, it was such a great idea at first. Remember how excited you were, terrified and scared at the same time, how much joy you actually had. Until your kids turned 2. Man, the terrible 2s. You thought that was bad until they turned 13, 14, 15. Shit. But you wouldn't change it for anything. You love your kids, no matter what your emotional losses or wins are with them, no matter what your financial losses or wins are. It really doesn't matter, does it? You don't quit on your kids, no matter how tough things actually get. For some of us, it's the same thing with trading. Just think, how long are your kids going to be your kids? The answer is forever. How long do you see yourself trading the markets? If your answer is forever, then you owe it to yourself and your kids to invest in the 13 market moves formula, so that your life journey of trading would be most rewarding and joyful, both financially and emotionally. Live to trade, trade to live. Conquer the world one trade at a time, fearlessly using the 13 market moves formula today.